welcome back to my channel. It's been so freaking long that I have uploaded a video. I know I owe you a big time explanation and apology video which is lined up. Things first, Halloween is just around the corner and we have to do something for that. Without further ado, let's get started. So from the intro you must have guessed the look. That's the Joker look. Yes, and my Joker is very much inspired from the Heath Ledger one, which is from the Dark Knight. But I didn't stick to the normal color combo, that is purple, green, black and red. Instead of that, I took a colorful take on my Joker. So if you like it, then please keep watching. First, I'm starting off with lining the scar, and for that I chose a red lip pencil. And first I am just lining out the scar, and for that I am taking a reference picture of Heath Ledger, of course, and I have referred to those pictures where the color is not that prominent, only the scar is very much prominent. So for this look you don't really need any makeup, any primer, any base. So how convenient is that? These kind of looks are my jam. I really enjoy doing this because let's be honest, I'm a lazy girl and I don't really want to do that many steps. Yeah. Once I'm happy with the scar lining, I'm going to apply the amazing product in SFX makeup that is called Rigid Collodion. And mine is from Kryolan. Now guys, if you're using this, I would like to say a few things. First, that you have to be extremely careful because what it does is that it's going to shrink your skin down and create an illusion of that indent skin. And for that it is going to stretch your skin a bit and it might be very burning and uncomfortable, but please do not use it if you're feeling too uncomfortable. Also, do not use it at the same spot again and again in a row. That can seriously damage your skin. And while removing it, make sure that you are using a proper SFX makeup remover. So yeah, just be careful. I know it sounds very scary, but the effect it gives is just amazing. I am using couple of layers until and unless I'm really happy with the effect I want. You need to make sure that each and every in between layers are completely dry. Once my Rigid Collodion is drying, I will move to my eyebrow to set them. Though Rigid Collodion doesn't really take long time to dry, but I just wanted to do my eyebrows first. And for that I'm using Kryolan Cine Wax. I'm just scooping out a bit and pressing on my eyebrows really hard so that it just stick to my forehead and give me a nice smooth surface to work on. Once I'm done with that, I need to just clear off the excess with a white tissue. This is just a baby wipe. You can use makeup wipes as well. Then I'm going back to my scar and applying some more layers of Rigid Collodion, and I ended up applying almost 5 to 6 layers of Rigid Collodion for the desired effect. Now to make it more indented and more realistic, what I'm going to use is Kryolan Artex. This is basically a modeling compound that you have to mix two different components, component A and component B, and they are going to give you a very skin-like texture. Now this is a bottle A and the bottle B I accidentally broke, so I just had to shift the whole product to another container. But to be very careful while you are using it because this stuff is extremely expensive. You do not mix component A with component B while they are in the bottle. You have to take out them in a separate container and you have to mix them with a separate spatula. Also, I would like to suggest that once these two components are mixed up, this product tends to set really quickly, so you need to make in small batches. So I'm just laying down the product with the help of a metal spatula and really pushing it in the skin. I mean, I want a very seamless and blended look. Once I'm done with that step, I'm going to set it off with some loose powder, and I'm using NYX HD finishing powder. You can use any translucent powder, and I'm doing this step just to kill that shine. Now the painting part. For that I'm using a white cream body paint and with a flat foundation brush. Now please guys don't laugh, but I am going to make a lot of funny faces just to get that crevices and folds the way Heath Ledger has on his face. So just crunch your face, do some frowning face and keep painting. More texture it gives, the more awesome it's going to look. So just keep making faces, don't worry. not very happy with the effect, you can always make those wrinkles more prominent with help of a spatula, the way I am doing here. Just because I have worked with cream paint, I need to set that, and for that I'm using that same NYX HD finishing powder. Now it's time to do a really smoky eye, and for that I'm going to paint my eyes with NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade called Black Bean. And as you can see, it really doesn't need any skill or any precision, just slather all over your face, on your eyes, yeah, correct. Just going to blend it with a fluffy blending brush and just like diffusing, not really diffusing, just like spreading the smudge all over my eye area a bit more. I know it's not like really looking jet black, because like a very smart person, I painted white all over my eyes as well. I should have leave those areas, but even it's in a gray shade, it's not really looking that bad. Your call. If you want to keep it like this, keep it. If you want to make it more black, just set the color with some matte black eyeshadow and it will be good to go, which I'm doing next. As you can see, for the rainbow colors, I'm taking Kryolan UV body paint, which are actually water activated body paint, and I am tapping the colors here and there and blending it with the help of my fingers. I have literally no plan here, just applying the colors right beside one another. As I have mentioned earlier, pure messiness going on.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging.
Taking eyeliner, black eyeliner, and just emphasizing bit more lines like the frowning shape and here and there. This eyeliner I'm using is from Wet n Wild. Practically guys, you can use any eyeliner of your choice. Now I'm just making some splatters from that same makeup brush, and that I think instantly makes the whole look much more interesting. Also, I'm going to apply some drips. What I have done is that I have taken some color with a great amount of water, and I'm just pressing my brush like this and just letting it drip, which was not happening. So I just started to move my head here and there so that it drips. You just need to make it work, guys. Do whatever you want to do, okay? For my scar, I'm taking this Graftobriand Bruise Wool and I'm taking this dark red shade and applying into the scar just to make them really deep. But if you don't have it, you can always use a dark lipstick. Now for my lips, I'm using an orange color and just smearing all over my cuts and wounds and just making it more sexy. I mean, a smoky look for your lips as well. Now I'm applying some blood. This is basically scalp blood and I'm using it with the help of a metal spatula. My waterline, I'm using a white eye pencil. This is from NYX. The reason I'm using white because I want my eyes to be center of attraction, not too black, and I am going to throw some contact, so it's just going to create a nice contrast. After that, I'm just applying some mascara, and here it is the Maybelline Big Shot mascara. I'm not going to wear any false lashes, but if you want, you can totally go for some sexy sultry false lashes. This is just going to give this look a very interesting factor, so just do it if you want to. And that was it. My Halloween Joker look is complete and I really like the way it has turned out. I have paired it with a leather jacket, so if you're going out and it is pretty cold, so definitely this is something that you can totally pull off. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.